Guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jess. We're here at my wilderness studio, man. This land I got here in the Ozarks, we call it the Sweet 16. I'm so glad you're here. And in this video, I'm going to unbox my brand new camera. That's a Canon 90D. Let's get right to the video. So yeah, got the Coral Paint Shop Pro 2021. Had a camera battery, had a charger, had a strap, and I think that's it, man. I just ordered the camera body. Didn't need a lens, didn't need no photography bundle. You know how they try to sell you all that stuff on Amazon and everything, all kinds of doodads and whatnot. Didn't order none of that. I pretty much already got all that stuff. So just needed the camera body. I did order this from B&H. B&H, thanks again, man. Super fast on the shipping, the price is right and everything, and so far so good, man. Let's go shoot that B-roll. Alright guys, I'm back, man. I climbed up out of the creek and I cannot wait to get in the editing booth and see what that B-roll looks like. You know what I'm saying? Thanks for being here, guys. That's it for the unboxing, man. Hope to catch y'all on the next video. Peace!